good, YouTube? It is your boy Sticker Bomb Moto here, and we out here on a little vlog with what? The old Pitster. Ain't rode the old Pitster in a while, so we had to get the old Pitster out, man. Give it a little love, bring it down the trail here. She ain't been ridden in a while, so you gotta ride them how you want them. And digging in that corner there. Man, I gotta get a new front tire for this thing if I want to ride in this here type of stuff. Got the back tire. Front tire though. Front tire is a little biatch sometimes. No, I want to go that way actually. Nah, screw it. We'll go this way. See if we can't play with some wheelies. My secret parking lot. Do first gear in. Got a little too excited there at the end. So pump her up in the second, and then you just come right here. It's a lot easier. And I got a set of Sumo wheels at my house, but for some reason I can't figure out the bearing axle thing, man. The bearings that are in it, where the axle goes through, is too big for these axles, and the bearings that fit these wheels, I can't get in the Sumo wheels, so I don't freaking know what I need to do. If anybody can help me down in the comments, and you know, how you guys switch your wheels and stuff, that'd be awesome. Oh, we can go over here now. That's right, they cleared it out a little bit. We got a little bump jump here. Gotta watch out, don't want to run into a pipe or something. Telephone pole down. Little bump jump. I guess someone tried to make a little skate park back here. This was like once going to be a development that probably foreclosed, and you know, they started to make a parking lot and stuff like that, and ran out of money. There we go. That's a brake catch there. Let's see. It's hard to hold. My brake is so freaking high on this side because it's bent that, you know, my foot has to be so high up on it. And it's hard to catch sometimes. Alright, I'm out of here. Alright guys, it's getting hot. It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon now, top of the afternoon. It's freaking sun is hot right now. Oh. So, gotta get moving here. Oh, bumpy, yeah. What happened? Yeah. Go shoot up this here trail. Oh. And whoa. got that nice Kenda rear tire on here. Now I got a little traction, get up and go. Still got the old cheap front tire on though. But at least that back tire gives me that little bit of control and traction I need. So yeah, I guess we'll just shoot back down here. Gotta jump on the street real quick. Street ride. Head down the main road here. Wide open. There we go, top speed right here. About 35, I'd say. I got a little more. I'd say 40 will do. Squirrely with these dirt tires on, boy. I need to get that street tires on here. So yeah, a little street ride for us. Oh, we'll shoot over here and go across my river and my waterfall. Glass bottles everywhere. Alright guys, I want to thank y'all for watching again and you know, tuning in. So yeah man, I appreciate that. Like always man, I want to thank every last one of you guys man. 373 man, it's so awesome man, I can't believe it. That we've come that far man, so let's hit it, let's do it, let's hit that 500 mark man. Like I said, I got something special for 500, so let's get it guys. We're right around the corner and yeah, let me pull off one more second gear here. Let's hit this parking lot, second gear. Take it where it wants to take us, huh? I lied. I'm gonna do a wheelie up here on the street. Yeah, longest one yet, guys. Alright guys, like always, like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. Thanks for all the support, man. I really appreciate it, guys, man. Hit me up down in the comments, man. I'm always in there, man. So like always, man, until my next one, Sticker Bomb Moto out. Deuces!